Hey y'all, my name is Mackenzie Howell, and I'm super excited to dive into educational technology with y'all this short summer session. I'm just making this quick little video to kind of show y'all how I've set up my Google site. So I'm going to preview it. So right now, this is my home page. I basically just went kind of with a theme. I customized that myself. I have a little blurb of a little bit about myself, what I like to do, and then a little paragraph about technology right here. Here's a picture of me and my Bitmoji, as well as a Meet the Teacher video that I published to YouTube and then used Screencast-O-Matic to kind of do a voiceover like I'm doing right now. My second section is the Tools for Education section. And under this, as you can see, I have some different subsections. So they include instruction, management, professional development, and assessment. So yeah, I've just been working on setting this up, customizing it to my liking. Um, this is I think it's my third portfolio that I've had to do. So they're becoming a little bit more fun to do at this point. But yeah, I'm excited to learn with y'all, even though it's just a few weeks. But yeah, this is what I'm doing, and I'm excited to see what you all are doing.